What is up, guys? Falcon back again, and check out what we're doing today. We're going to be retrieving another Honda stereo code. This time it's going to be from an Acura MDX. So if you need to do this on your vehicle, stay tuned. Alright guys, so here we go. This vehicle is a 2002 Acura MDX. Now I think it works on the Acura TL as well. But as long as you have this stereo right here, it's the same procedure. We're going to use the same website that we used on the Honda Civic, and we did this on the Pilot 2, and we did this on the Element 2, different videos. I'm going to try to link them all down there in the description. So I'm just going to show you how to retrieve this code here out of this MDX. If you have the same, like I said, if you have the same stereo, it's going to be the same procedure. And then we're going to go again to the same website. We're going to retrieve the code, input our information, come back and unlock the stereo. So let's get to it. All right, for starters, we need to get the codes from here. We're going to get a U code and an L code from here so we can go input them on the website. So first, we got to make sure that the stereo is off. So we're going to put the key in the ignition into the on position. Right now, the stereo is off. If you turn it on, it's going to ask you for the code. So what we're going to do is we're going to make sure that it's off. We take our key off. We put our key back in the ignition and we turn the key once. After we do that, we're going to hit the 1 and the 6 at the same time. And we're going to hit the power, and then we should get the two codes here. Like I said, the U code and the L code. So here we go. 1 and 6 together. And we hit power. There goes U 3002. L 3712. Those are our two codes. So now we're going to go over to our website. We're going to input the VIN number of the vehicle, my information, and then these two codes, and then it should retrieve us the code to unlock the stereo. So let's go ahead and do it. Here we go. We have the website is radio/navicodes.honda.com. Of course, I'm going to put this website right there in the description. That way you guys can find it easier. But we're going to go to get code. And here we go. I was going to ask you for the VIN number, email, serial number, and all this stuff. So let me go ahead and input all this information. All right, so here we go, guys. I went ahead and input the information right there. This is the VIN number that I'm covering up, and it gave me the information right away. As far as the code, I put the U and the L code together after that, and those are the two codes that he's giving right there. Those are the two codes. So now we're gonna go try those two codes out in the stereo. All right, so here we go, guys. We're gonna try out the first code, which was 56252. Here we go, 56252. And there we go. We have a stereo.
Texas A&M University, Central Texas, an affordable
and there we go, guys.
TAM.
We have stereo. We have a working stereo now, and there it goes. That is how you retrieve your code. All right, guys, so we are done. That is how you retrieve your stereo on this Acura MDX. But like I said, as long as you have the same stereos, the same procedures, it's always the same website that we've been using for years now for all those different cars to unlock this stereo. That website only works for Honda. So as far as other cars, I guess I'll make a separate video for those. But for right now, this is how you retrieve this particular code on this Acura. All right, guys, so I really hope you find this video helpful. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, hit that bell for me, share the channel. I will catch you guys on my next video. Thank you for watching, and you guys have yourselves a great day.